Dust your workspace with icing sugar. Roll out the duck egg blue icing to approximately 3 mm thick and cut out rounds using the circle cutter. Attach the icing disc to the biscuit with edible glue and smooth it flat. Print out the otter template and use this as a guide to build up your otter. Take a piece of the brown icing and knead in the palm of your hands. This will make up the otter's head. Next, create a teardrop shape. This will become the body. Cut off the tip of the teardrop where it joins the head. Next, roll out a small ball. Cut it in half to make the 2 ears. Use the ball tool to make indentations in each ear. Next, roll a small pointy tail. Cut off any excess and attach this to the base of the otter. Using the teddy bear brown icing, roll a small flat teardrop shape and attach this to the chest. For the facial features, take a little black icing. Roll a small oval ball for the nose and 2 tiny balls for the eyes. Draw on the otter's whiskers with the black edible pen. Use the ball tool to make indentations for the eyes and fix these in place with water or edible glue, along with the nose. Using the dark brown icing, roll out 2 small ovals for the feet. Roll a thin sausage shape and cut in half for the arms. Using the rolling pin, roll out pink or red icing. Using the heart plunger cutter, cut out a heart shape. Attach the heart to the otter's chest and position the otter's arms around this. Fix the feet into position using edible glue or water. Take your icing covered biscuit and brush a little edible glue where the otter will be positioned. Transfer the otter to the biscuit in sections and gently press into place. Take a piping bag fitted with a No. 2 icing nozzle and a little royal icing and pipe ripples around the otter's body to make it look like he's floating on his back in the water. Finally, add 2 tiny dots of royal icing to the otter's eyes for shiny highlights. You can use these same techniques to create multiple otters, for example, otters holding hands. For more baking inspiration, visit hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas.